Hey there friend, let's start today. Learn to grow citrus the smart, simple way. Lemon, lime, or orange so sweet. In a pot of ground, you'll love the treat. Every mom did what they dream. Step 1, pick the right plant type. Seeds can be slow and not always right. Buy a grafted one from a nursery near. It'll bloom and fruit within the year. Every mom did what they dream. Give 'em sun, give 'em love, give 'em room to grow. In a big old pot, let the drainage flow. Mix the soil, feed the roots just right, and your citrus tree will shine so bright. Step 2, choose a pot that's wide, 14 inches tall and deep inside. Plastic, clay, or even a drum. Just don't forget the drainage chum. Everyone in one dream. Now mix that soil so it drains real nice. Use Coco, Peat, and Compost to spice. Garden soil and some bone meal too, or rock phosphate if that suits you. Everyone in one dream. Step 4, sunlight is the key. 6 hours a day for a citrus tree. But don't repot on the very first day. Let it rest in shade for a few, okay? Everyone in one dream. After a potting, don't forget Epsom salt water keeps it set. 1 teaspoon per liter, give it a try. It helps those roots not to cry. Everyone in one dream. Give 'em sun, give 'em love, give 'em room to grow. Water deep, not just a little show. Finger test, check the soil is dry, and your citrus tree will reach the sky. Fertilizers, now here's the deal. To help your plant to bloom and heal. A handful of compost every month is great. Double it when flowers decorate. Every morning won't be dream. Add Epsom spray every 15 days. On leaf undersides it truly pays. Banana peel tea adds potassium might and keeps your tree growing right. Every morning won't be dream. Watch for bugs like mealy and flies. Neem oil spray is your best buy. Mix with water, spray with care. Keep those citrus leaves happy and fair. Every morning won't be green. pH around 6 is what they like. Not too sour, just slightly right. Don't go acidic, no need to guess. Keep it balanced, avoid the stress. Every morning won't be green. Pollinators help the fruit to stay. Bees and butterflies lead the way. So skip those chemicals, let them roam. They'll turn your garden to a happy home. Every morning won't be free. Trim the dry and keep it clean. Hard prune in spring to keep it green. Show it love and it rewards you back. With fruits and flowers in every pack. Every morning won't be free. Give 'em sun, give 'em love, give 'em room to grow. Sing this song as your garden shows. Lemon, lime, or orange, you'll see happy fruits on your citrus tree. Up eating.